Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Banking Professionals Make It Possible. I hope you all are doing well with your study and taking good care of your health. So as you can see that I have just mentioned that from which mock test a beginner should start, because I have received so many comments about the same. Because someone said that ma'am, I am just going to prepare for IBPS clerk for this time and this is my first attempt, and someone said that I have started banking examination preparation from this year and IBPS clerk will be my first examination. So from where we should start our mock test? So I will suggest one of the favorite mock test for beginner from my side, because from the same mock test I have started my preparation and I have cleared so many examination from prelims to mains from this mock test, from the help of this mock test. So let's start. If you are new to the channel, then please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the further updates. So now just moving to the mock test, I am going to suggest you. So yes, here you can see that this is the test book, because I have shared so many times that I have started my preparation from test book only and qualified so many examination, and I found it helpful for beginner because it gives you a easy level mock test from the very beginning and it gives you so many content for the practice also. So just moving to test section, you will find that here I have enrolled in so many mock tests. So from the most right upper section you can see view all. Just after clicking this you can see that I have enrolled in all these examinations. So yes, this is the mock test. You can add also, if you are going to buy this, you can use code BP for the 30% discount. And the best part is that it not only gives you banking examination mock test, it gives you banking, SSC, railway, in fact UPSC mock test at the same cost for 1 year. So I'm just going to share you the banner. Here it is. So yes, as you can see that I have shared you the mock test. Just now moving to the practice section. So just now moving to the practice section. Here on the home page you can see practice here. So just after clicking practice you can choose field of your choice. So I'm just going to click bank PO, and here you can see that so many chapters available for the practice. Again you will click the bank clerk, again you will get so many chapters for the practice. So yes, I found it helpful for beginners and for them also who are just fed up of low score in other mock test or high level mock test. Then I also suggest that if you are not getting good score in high level mock test, then you should attempt at least 1 or 2 mock tests from this, so that your motivation does not lose and you can keep preparing with full motivation. So that was all about this. So if you found it helpful, then please hit like button and do share with your friends also, so that they can also get the benefit of the same. See you soon in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day. All the best. Bye.